Hey there, if you want to reset your Lovable PowerKits extension license key, then all you just need to go to the download page from our official website. Okay, and then just toggle into the reset device and put your license key here and click this button. Okay, it will reset your license key, and you can reinstall the extension into a new browser or the new device, whatever you want. Okay, so basically, our extension is working based on the device, so you may need some time to reset the device. That's why we added this feature here, so you don't need to ask our support to reset your license key, and now you can do it yourself. Okay, I think you get the idea and understand properly. So if in case you need the reset license key, then go to the website, click the download button and come to this page. Okay, and reset your license key from here. Thank you.